This podcast is brought to you by JuiceComedyToronto.com. Also, check them out on Instagram at JuiceComedyTO. What's going on, guys? We're here now with the DJ from Team Africa right here. We're talking about the voice of Africa. You know who we have in the building? We have MC BONDE in the building today. What's going on, my brother?
Hey. First of all, let me start with this one word.
Okay.
Finally.
Yeah.
Finally. I've been seeing all the famous people get on this except me. So finally, Mama, I made it.
You made it. I tell everybody, I say, listen, don't worry. Until I get my interview on my own show, we're all waiting. Don't worry. I still didn't get my interview yet, so I'm still waiting.
It's coming.
It's all good. So what's going on, my brother?
I'm good, man. Blessed, thankful. We're about to close out a decade, and I got to say it's been blessings upon blessings for this past decade. Yeah. And I got to thank the men upstairs, man. Thank God for the blessings. You know, family now. The entertainment thing took off, took it international with it. So things have been good. And been blessed.
I see that. I see you traveling a lot, doing a lot of things. Yeah. But I know you have the name BONDE, the voice of Africa. Why do they say you're the voice of Africa?
So what happened was there was a club that I used to MC in Toronto. Okay. And I was the voice of Eagle House. And then that club shut
Eagle
down.
House. I forgot.
You remember Young and Steels?
Yes, guy.
Exactly.
Wow.
That was the biggest African club we ever had since I've been in Canada. Yeah. And when it shut down, we were like, bro, what do we do now? How do we rebrand? And which direction do we go? They're like, bro, your voice is just unique. And you're from Africa, and you represent Africa, and you rep Africa 24/7. Yeah. Let's go with the voice of Africa.
Just like that.
Let's just go with that, and it's stuck.
That's crazy. Sometimes it's the simplest things that stick all the time.
True that.
You know what I mean? How did you and Miss Go-To Girl connect to create this monster of a show you guys have?
Man, you know what happened was, rest in peace, Mr. G, man, our founder and president of G98.7 FM. Mm-hmm. He entrusted me with a show on commercial radio playing African music.
Yes.
Once he did that, I was on the show for probably 2-3 years. Mm-hmm. And it's like, we need to spice it up a little bit. Okay. We need some news on it. And I'm like, you know what? Personally, I'm an entertainment guy. I do not do the political news or any serious news. I would rather do entertainment news.
Makes sense.
Then he said, you know what? Let's find somebody who can spice it up and give you that entertainment news. Mm-hmm. And it's like, look for someone to add on to the show. And then let's get them on. And I went online, looked online. MissGoToGirl.com was on fire. She represented herself well, carried herself well. And it was just a match from heaven, I should say. And it worked out well. We brought her in, and the rest is history, man.
Yeah, no, definitely. I like
3-4 awards later.
Wow. How long you guys been on air now?
So the show has been on for 8 years. And Miss Go-To-Go joined me 5 years. So 3 years before she joined me. Yeah. So she joined, she's been there for 5 years. I've been there for 8. Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah. And I remember when they announced, okay, you're going to have the African grooves and all that stuff on commercial radio. I said, that's a big move. And this was pre the whole Afro sound influx.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? This was before.
I'm happy you know that.
Come on,
before Afro beats took off and everything, we were the pioneers of African music on commercial radio in Canada. So you do your homework.
Come on.
You do your homework.
You know what I mean? And this is just a pre-interview, so I know. You know what I mean? I understand. Right now, we're here sitting at the Africa versus West Indies comedy show. All right? You've been here many times. Yes. All right? What's your prediction for the rest of the night here?
Man, it's 2 shows. Shout out to West Hype and the whole Juice Cup comedy team, and they are an amazing team. They're an amazing, well-oiled machine.
Yes.
Teamwork is amazing. So shout out to West Hype and the whole team. Listen, we lost show number 1. It's 2 shows in one night. Okay. We're on to the show number 2. And I know why we lost the first one. Okay. So I'm fixing it on the second one. Mm-hmm. Consider us winning.
All right.
Team Africa.
All right. So worst case, it would be a draw, and we have to have something else to break.
I'm sorry. Yeah. I don't accept draws.
Draw.
Yeah.
Winner takes all.
Winner takes all.
So even
plus,
if you lost the first one,
I have some money on the line, so there's no draw.
Listen, what part of Africa?
My mortgage is due.
Listen, what part of Africa you representing?
Originally born in Zimbabwe.
Okay.
Southern Africa.
Yeah. All right. Big. Alfred. is also
Alfred Kayinga, man. Shout out my boy Alfred Kayinga. Yo, I need everybody because he's not getting a lot of love because he's new.
Yeah.
He's not even new. He's new to Canada.
Yes.
But in terms of internationally, he's big because he's been on Kevin Hart's Heart of the City show. Yeah, exactly. So shout out to Alfred Kayinga. Please follow him, Alfred Kayinga, on all social media platforms. That's my guy. So crazy thing.
Yeah.
We grew up together.
Okay.
In the same neighborhood in Harare, which is the capital city of Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
We grew up together. So we go way back. And for us to be where we are now in the entertainment business, but we are on parallel journeys because he's a comedian and I'm an MC and a host. But we seem to always meet up and do shows together and stuff. So we're truly blessed, man. Shout out to Alfred, man.
Crazy. Before I get you out of here, leave your social handles where they could check you out.
Yo, please hit me up. It's right here at MC Bonde 1. That's MC BONDE and the number 1. Of course, I have a TV show coming up. I'm doing a talk show soon.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah. So it's going to be at the MC Bonde Show. It's already on social media on Instagram.
Okay.
But otherwise, Snapchat, Instagram, and everything, it's MC Bonde 1. Yeah.
Got you. Bonde. When we connect, it's going to be crazy. Make sure.
I can't wait.
Listen,
I cannot wait.
I need the
Shout out to everybody who's been on 2 Live, man. Yo, I cannot wait to be in that room.
It's going to be MC Bonde and Miss Go 2 Girl.
I love it.
I need the whole package.
I'm ready, bro. We're ready. Blessings.
Thank you so very much.
All right, man. Big up yourself.
All right?
All right, bless.
Good.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.